Hello everyone, welcome back to our GK class. How was your GK exam? Yes, very good. Is it very easy? Yes, good children. Yes, today we are going to learn a new chapter, a new topic. For that, all of you open your GK textbook. Open page number 210. All of you open this page. Open this page. Yes. Chapter 7, Transport. Yes. What is the name of the chapter? Transport. All of you say loudly. Transport. Yes. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport. Yes. Very good. What is transport? Do you know what is transport? Yes. Transport is the movement of humans, animals or goods from one location to another. Is it clear all of you? Yes. What is transport? Transport is the movement of humans, that is us, from one place to another. Or animals, goods, movement of humans, animals, goods from one place to another. And we use vehicles to move from one place to another. Isn't it? Yes. Means of transport is very important in our life. Isn't it? Yes. If there were no means of transport, how will we go somewhere? Tell me children. Yes. How would we go somewhere? Yes. Or how can we transport goods? Yes. If I want to go somewhere, how can I go? Yes. How will I go somewhere? Yes. I can walk or I can run. Yes. But what will I do if I want to go very far? Yes. I can use vehicles for longer distance. Yes. Do you understand what is transport? Yes, there are three main means of transport. Yes, that is first one, land transport. What is land transport? Yes, land transport, water transport and air transport. There are three main means of transport. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Yes. What is a land transport? Tell me children. Yes. Car, very good. Car, bus, auto rickshaws, bicycle, scooters and vans. They are the examples of land transport. Yes. They move on wheels and also they can go everywhere on the land. That is land transport. Do you understand what is land transport? Yes. Next one, water transport. What is water transport? What is that? Tell me children. Yes. Ships, boats, ferries and steamers are the examples of water transport. Is it clear? Yes. It is very slowest way of transport. Slowest means of transport. Water transport. Then next, air transport. What is air transport? Aeroplanes and helicopters are the examples of air transport. Yes, aeroplanes and helicopters are the examples of air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Is it clear all of you? Yes. There are three main means of transport. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Yes. Then what is transport? Yes. Transport is the movement of humans, animals or goods from one location to another from one place to another. And also we use vehicles for moving one place to another. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. Then all of you open your textbook. Yes. Transport. What is transport? Write the names of these vehicles. Can you see some pictures of vehicles here? Yes. All of you look at your textbook. First one. What is that? Tell me, children, what is that? Yes. That is a helicopter. Very good. Helicopter. Helicopter is the means of air transport. Is the example of air transport. Very good. So you have to fill in the blanks. Helicopter. What is the spelling? Yes. Helicopter. Helicopter. All of you take out your pencils and erasers. Show me your pencils and erasers, all of you. Yes. Then write down Helicopter. Helicopter. Yes. Finish writing? Yes. Next picture. Look at the next picture. Second picture. Yes. That is train. Very good. Train. Yes. What is the spelling? Train. Train. All of you write down Train. Yes. Train is the example of land transport. Very good. Land transport. Yes. Then look at the next picture. Yes. What is that? Car. Very good. Car. C-A-R. All of you write down the C-A-R. Yes. Land is also an example of land transport. Yes. Car is the example of land transport. Yes. Next, fourth picture. Look at the fourth picture. What is that? Boat. Very good. Boat. Yes. All of you write down there B-O-A-T. B-O-A-T. Yes. Boat is the example of water transport. What is water transport? Yes. Write down, all of you, B-O-A-T. Yes. Next picture. Fifth picture. What is that? Auto rickshaw. Very good. Auto rickshaw. So all of you write down the A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. All of you write down A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is the example of land transport. Yes. Yes. Next, the last picture. What is this? Yes. Aeroplane. Yes. Very good. So all of you write the A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the example of air transport. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. Then all of you open your notebook. Any doubt, all of you? I hope you are clear with transport and you are clear with this chapter. Here we learned some vehicles name. Helicopter. All of you say helicopter, boat, train, auto rickshaw, car and aeroplane. Yes. Then all of you open your notebook. Yes. Take out your notebook, all of you. Open a fresh page. Then put on date here. Then write down chapter 7 transport in block capital letter. Then underline. Then write down keywords. Then also underline. Then 6 vehicles name. First one, helicopter, boat, train, auto rickshaw, car, aeroplane. Yes. Can you see how to write it? Yes, put on date, don't forget. Then write down like this. Then you have to write each word 10 times. How many times? You have to write each words 10 times in your notebook. Draw columns, then write down neatly each word 10 times. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. I think you all clear with this chapter, chapter 7, transport. And also you have to draw or stick the pictures of 2 examples of land transport and 2 examples of air transport and 2 examples of water transport in your notebook. Is it clear, all of you? Draw or stick the pictures of 2 examples of water transport, 2 examples of land transport and 2 examples of air transport. This is a homework for you. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt? Yes. I think you all clear with this chapter transport. Okay, thank you children. Bye. See you in the next class.